Hey everyone, welcome to the next topic. In this topic, we will talk about folders and organization. In the last topic, we have done the exercise. In that exercise, we import some audio and videos and edit them with a beat. Now we know that we have a long tutorial about this software. So we will import a lot of files, videos, audios, and compositions. So we have to organize our files with the help of folders. You can also organize your data if you don't want to mess up your files. It's very convenient to access the files if your files are organized. So we will organize our footage data in the folder so that it's easy to access. You can also organize your file. So what we will do is, here you can see the folder icon. Just click on this folder icon, then change the folder title to footage. Now you can see that the footage folder is created, and if you want to import your videos in this folder, then just select the videos. After that, drag and drop it to the footage folder. Then you can see the little arrow here. Now you can see that the videos are in the footage folder. Then I will make another folder for composition. I will just write comps. And we have this composition here. Let me just rename this composition to comp1. Then I will just drag and drop the comp1 to the comps folder. Then we have our audio. For audio, I will create another folder. I mistakenly create the folder in the comp folder. Let me delete this and create the folder again in the project panel and name it audio. Then drag and drop this audio to the audio folder. Now all the stuff is well organized. We have created folders like footage, comps, and audio. So this is how you can organize your footage file or media. In the next topic, we will talk about layer properties. So jump into the next topic. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and share the video.